Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how Aruna and I have been using ChatGPT to generate social media posts for the videos that we create. We script our videos extensively. We then use that script to generate the YouTube video description, LinkedIn post, and Twitter post. 2 weeks back, we released a video that compared and contrasted our approach towards course creation and the one suggested by Emily, our AI course creator persona. We will show you how we used that video script to generate social media posts to share that video. If you like the content we create, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please share the videos that you like with your friends.
I'm gonna ask GPT this question to help me create a LinkedIn post and a Twitter post. I'm gonna share script of a video. Can you help me summarize it into a LinkedIn post?
So at this point, ChatGPT is just ChatGPT. It's not Emily or any persona.
No persona with chatting to plain vanilla ChatGPT. Paste the script here.
Okay, excited to share our latest video in the online course creation Kickstarter series. Not bad, not bad. So the intro here says, "So excited to share our latest video in the online course creation Kickstarter series." And yes, absolutely right that we're using ChatGPT to help design our course. And we compare our course creation approach with the expert advice of Emily, who, if you've watched our other videos, will know that it's a persona that was generated partly with ChatGPT's own help. Emily is a persona that is an online course creation expert. And then there are the takeaways.
Yeah, that bit I'm confused. The takeaways from the script should ideally be the fact that we compared and gave a comparing and contrasting response. Here, it's basically summarized the key points into takeaways, which it exactly is not.
But yeah, I think she's covered the comparison by just saying that we compare a course creation approach with the expert advice of Emily, and there's not necessarily points of agreement or points of disagreement. But after having seen this, what I realized is I don't necessarily want in a LinkedIn post the entire summary of our video. As you pointed out, we need the key takeaways, and I also want this SEO optimized. Like it should be a catchy LinkedIn post. So what's the point of the LinkedIn post? It has to be catchy. It has to communicate not in an essay, but in a couple of lines, what the video is about and why somebody should tune in.
We can do the SEO optimizing towards the end. Is there a way to rephrase and ask a question to ChatGPT so it gives us the takeaway in a manner that's more aligned to our thought that we relayed just now? Like, how do we go about asking it? Maybe I can tell ChatGPT that this was a comparison video.
Can we ask her to restart this so she knows that we're not going off of her previous answer? And basically inform her that this is not what we're looking for. So let me ask you something else.
Can you redo the post to reflect what were the differences between and the authors? Definitely an improvement, I feel. What do you think?
Yeah, again, what I like are, I suppose, the first sentence and the last sentence. I like that. And of course, ChatGPT has done exactly what we asked it to do, which is point out the differences. GPT-4 is giving us either the summary or the differences. But what I really want is to say that given that script, can you just give me an SEO optimized LinkedIn post? And I want to see what she thinks the LinkedIn post should have. Maybe she doesn't think that there should be a summary. Maybe she doesn't think that there should be key differences. Maybe she thinks it should be a combination of both and some other things.
I'm going to type down exactly what you said. Given the script, what would be an SEO optimized LinkedIn post that's likely to go viral? Should I include that?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that made the difference.
That did. Not bad. I think the middle part could use some rewriting, but overall not bad.
Yeah, I'm actually impressed with how the tone completely changed. And I think it's because you said that's likely to go viral. It's totally amped up the oomph factor. I don't know if it'll necessarily go viral because there's probably not a formula anybody can crack. Okay, so thoughts are I like that the thing says putting Emily to the test. She's doing both critical differences between our proven approach and Emily's suggestions. The call to action of come watch our video, that's fine. One thing that does occur to me is it doesn't sound like the both of us. So we'll have to do a little massaging of the message to make it sound like it's Aruna and Gautam talking and not like some random word generator which is doing this. I was just playing with that.
I think it has done the job.
Nice. This is nice.